Andrea, and today we're eating orange food for 24 hours. So I'm sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. I'm just like, I had like a lot of stuff to do, but I'm back, and so let's get on with the YouTube video. So the first orange food is these mini donuts, orange mini donuts. They're only seasonal only, so let me taste them. I'm really excited to eat these. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast. It's so hard to open it. You know what? I'm gonna come back when these all open. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I finally opened these. It took like a year just to open them, but I'm about to try them. I know you're probably like, this is not even orange. It's white. It's orange on the inside. Okay. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I didn't get a chance to show you my outfit. So it's my t-shirt. I'm sorry, I'm soft smacking. It's my t-shirt. It's orange and black. I got some biker shorts. Oh, let you see it. Hold up. Nah, hold up. I'm not showing y'all. So these are my shorts. This is my t-shirt. Most of them. But yeah, it's my outfit for today. And then I got the the butterflies. Super cute. But this is really good. I really like these. And it tastes like orange. Oh my god. Alright. Let's move to the next oh my god, it's so good. I'm so hungry. You don't understand how hungry I am. Oh, I'm sorry. So the next item is these cheddar flavored rice crisp. So let me try it. It's good. I thought it was gonna be nasty. It looked nasty on the cover. It was nasty, but it's good. It's real good. I should rate it. I should rate my my food. So I give this like a I give it a 9 out of 10. It was good. These I give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah, alright. They're good. I do. Alright. I actually tried these before. The popcorn cheese. I'm sorry, I'm all smacking. I'm so sorry. Okay. I know this is gonna taste good. Yeah, it's 9 out of 10. I like it. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. And this is like my breakfast. Oh my god. Oh, and if you wanna know, I'm gonna like show you what I'm gonna eat for dinner tonight. I'm gonna be eating these. I didn't try these these orange. I haven't had these oh my god. I haven't had these since I was 4 years old. Like I haven't had these in a long time. So that's for my dinner. They call it SpaghettiOs. SpaghettiOs. You try some. They're really good. For this one. And I got some Tic Tacs because these make your breath stink. So this is my dinner. So I'm not gonna try these. I'm gonna try these for dinner and my Tic Tacs and it's my SpaghettiOs. That's my dinner. But yeah, these donuts, they're for my breakfast. So yeah. So I guess I'll see y'all for snack time. I'll see y'all for snack time. So I'm back. These donuts, they dry. I'm thirsty. So I got me some orange juice. I love orange juice. Oh my god. Oh, I get this like a 10 out of 10. I get this like a 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. The only thing I got was junk food. I'm eating junk food all day today. I need some real food. The only real food I'm gonna eat is these for dinner. I'm so hungry. And these not filling me up. I'm so hungry. Alright, well, I guess I'll see y'all for snack time. So, it's kind of like lunchtime and then snack time. So, I got some goldfishes and some sparkling ice. I never tried it before, but yeah. Ooh, it's nasty. I'm gonna get this to somebody. I'm gonna ask my grandma if she want it. But I give this a 4 out of 10 because it ain't that really good. But I love goldfishes, so yeah. But I always want to try it. I always wanted to try this because I've seen it since like 7-Eleven or like the market. But I finally tried it and I don't like it. So the goldfishes. I like goldfishes. But I'm probably gonna get my little brother. I ain't gonna eat all these stuff, you know. I'm tired of eating junk food. You know how like, sometimes you can just get tired of eating junk food? And I haven't been doing this for a long time. I'm just tired of eating salt. Her only thing I'm eating is salt and sugar. Wait, I do got something healthy. Hold on. I'll be right back. Wait, I did something healthy. I got some carrots and I got some oranges. That's good. It's like this tastes nasty. I'm trying to say these stuff tastes good, but these taste nasty. They don't taste like nothing. I'm not a big fan of carrots. These are nasty. I never liked them. But when I was in pre-K, they used to make us try to eat these. Like, no. But I gotta eat something healthy because it's too much salt and it's too much sugar. But, yeah. That's what I'm eating for lunch. I get this like, oh, I forgot to rate it. I get this like, 0 out of 10. It didn't even taste good. It's really nothing. I probably get it to my grandfather. It was nasty. But I'm sorry, my camera died. But yeah, I forgot what I was even talking about. But did I rate these yet? I get this a 1 out of 10. These nasty. But I'll see y'all next time. Not next time. I'll see y'all later on for dinner. I'm gonna finish eating my snack. Okay, so now it's time for lunch. Oh no, the other one was it was snack time. So I did snack time. Now it's my lunch. I got Italian. Oh, it's called a real Italian ice. Like what? They're like, yeah, everything else you've been eating is fake. This is real. So I got Italian ice. So I'm gonna get my spoon and I want to eat it. Let me see how it tastes. What kind is this? Oh, it's mango. Cause I was like, this tastes familiar. Is it pineapple? I don't know, but it tastes good. It tastes so sweet. Maybe because it tastes so sweet, because the only thing I've been eating is sweet food. So, it tastes good. It tastes good. I like it. I give this I get this. I don't know why I get this. Cause it's so good. But like, it's sweet too. I don't know. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's good. I'm so hungry. I don't know how I'm still hungry. Like, I ate so much junk food. But I'm so hungry. But it's good. I'm just like smacking. Oh my gosh. I'm just hearing myself smacking. Because it's so good. It's sweet. So how every day? It's good. Oh, y'all did what? Oh. You went to a park today? Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, for real? Oh. Yeah, I had a good day too. I had a really good day. You know, I woke up, I went to the market, did some schoolwork. You know, usual. Alright, we'll see y'all for like dinner. So now it's 9 o'clock. It's time for dinner. I'm not even hungry anymore. Like, I'm just tired. I'm tired of eating junk food, but I guess it's not junk food. It's SpaghettiOs. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. It's 9 o'clock, y'all. Ooh, I spilled it. Shh. But I'm about to clean it up. I'm right back. So I'm about to eat my dinner. I don't know how to cook this. So alright, so I'm about to put this in my bowl. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh, stink. It stink. But it's orange, so ew. Look at this. It's orange though. I'm just gonna eat a little bit. It's real stinky. I'm sorry. It's stinky. It stinks so bad. I get her, I think I'm going crazy, but it stinks so bad. Like, I might eat the rest of this, but I don't know what number to put this on. I'm gonna try 1, so I'm gonna put this in 1. So I put it in the microwave, and I'll be back when it's time for it's done. So while I was cooking, I'm just I'm eating some popcorn. Just waiting for it to get done. Let me try these Tic Tacs. I'm gonna try these out. They look like little pills. But it's good. I didn't think it was gonna taste that good. It's good. Oh my god. So good. But we have to save these because if I don't like what's in that microwave right now, it's gonna be my dinner. And we not eat up all my food. So I think it's done. So I'm about to eat my dinner now. Oh, dang. Ew. It stinks so bad. Like, it's so strong. But I hope it tastes good because I need some real food. But I'm not like hungry anymore. I'm so full. I'm not even hungry anymore. But I gotta eat it, so. Ain't bad, but ain't good either. I don't really like it. I also got something to drink. it. Oh, there you go. I just opened it. That's good. What is this? It's Goya soda. It's orange. If you know what Goya is, I had Goya, the cookies and the chips. I know they had a soda. It's sweet. I like this. Oh, let me rate these. Let me rate this. This is, I give it a 3 out of 10. I gave the SpaghettiOs a 3 out of 10. These, it is good. They are alright, but they are the 6 out of 10. I like this though. This thing my favorite drink since today. All the drinks I had today, this thing might be my favorite. I like this. Maybe this is a 10 out of 10. Matter of fact, it's not a 10 out of 10. It's a 100 out of 10. But that's the end of this video for today. I hope y'all all having a good day, and I hope y'all all stay safe at this time. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.